Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here and got another unboxing and review video of some earbuds for y'all. So these are going to be the Tranya T10 true wireless earbuds. So about a month ago I did an unboxing and review video of some other Tranya earbuds. I believe they were the B530s off the top of my head. But you can follow the card up above and check that video out if you'd like. But with these are definitely a upgrade to those. So I was very excited to get my hands on these. So you can pick these up on Amazon. They're $49.99, but right now there's a $10 off coupon. So to get these for under $40 with Prime shipping, I think is definitely a really good deal considering the specs that come with these. So let's dive into the box, let's see what you get, and then let's kind of go over some of the specs a little bit. So haven't even opened these yet as far as this particular model goes. So let's get them opened up here. So as far as the box goes, you have the branding here, T10. It reminds you that there's a 12mm driver, and then the charging case is a wireless charging case. Then you got a picture of the earbuds there. And then on the back, just some verbiage about everything about the earbuds themselves. Some basic stuff there. So it does also, once again, mention the 12mm driver. They are IPX7 waterproof, so they are completely waterproof, so you can take showers or whatever you want with them. It is a Type-C wireless charger, so that is nice. So you can use a Type-C charging cable for this. And the charging case is also wireless charging capable. It says crystal clear calls here, but in my review I don't really do a lot of mic reviews, so I'm not going to really be touching on the mics. I did use the mics, but in reality I just don't use mics, so or at least the earbuds for microphones. It does come with AptX, which is awesome, and then it says enhanced touch controls. So yeah. So let's see what we get with the box. Let's get it open here. Okay. So here is just a few little things. You got a warranty card in here. Just like the other earbuds, it comes with a Tranya sticker or decal there, and then you got the user manual here. So it's kind of just an accordion style. So user manual. So got that. And then before we dive into the actual earbuds themselves, let's check out what comes in the little box here. So inside the box you're going to get, so first off you're getting a Type-C, so Type A to Type-C charger. So that's nice that it comes with it. And then inside the box as well you're gonna get some extra silicone tips. So there's two here, and then there's already a set on the earbuds themselves, so you're getting a small, medium, and large with those. So that's good. And then let's get the earbuds out of here. Okay, so here is the charging case. So kind of hard to see. There we go. So branding there on the front, on the bottom, just some verbiage, you know, all that good stuff at the bottom. And then you got your Type-C port there, and you do have your 4 LED light indicators there to let you know how much of the juice you have left in the inside of the charging case itself. And then when you open it up here, you got the earbuds here, left and right indicator, and then of course you see the indentions there where the earbuds go in. So let's do the lid test. So very satisfying click. Seems like it's not super flimsy either, so that's good, because I hate flimsy cases, because if I have it opened all the way I don't want it to close if I bump it by accident. But yeah, very nice and satisfying. And then if we take the earbuds out, you can see the prongs there and everything as far as for the magnetic connections. So let's just put that to the side here. So you can see they're already trying to go into pairing mode. So as soon as you take them out, they go into pairing mode there. But you got the branding there for Tranya. You got the LED indicators there. Then you have your silicone tips on there. You can kind of see the shape of them there. So, oops, sorry. So yeah, not very small, or not, excuse me, not very big, but light, small. So as far as everything goes, as specs go, it's Bluetooth 5.0, obviously. Most of the earbuds are always going to be that now, it seems like. It does have IPX7 waterproof rating, so they are completely waterproof. You can go shower with them, get them wet, soak them, get pushed in the pool while you're wearing them by accident. You're going to be just fine. I don't recommend swimming with them, but you know, I just don't recommend swimming with any earbuds. But there you go with that. It does have AptX, so you know, for your Android users out there, AptX is going to give you that CD quality sound, so it's going to definitely sound really good. The bass does sound very well with these. I've had, you know, this is a review model that I have, but I've owned these that I personally got to test out first, and then I wanted to get another one for the true unboxing. So the bass does sound very good with these. Now the touch controls are completely touch, and that whole pad here is very easy because there's kind of an indentation here, so you can feel it when you're touching. It does have this accidental touch protection, which is nice, so that way, like, if you're trying to like turn the volume up or down, you're not going to accidentally like push the wrong button or touch the wrong way and like skip your track or something. So it's very nice in that regards. So I do like that about them. I am happy to report that they do control everything with these, so you can turn the volume up and down, you can skip forward, go back, play, pause, all that good stuff, answer your phone calls, etc., etc. It does have a 12mm driver, like it does say on the box there, so it does do a very good job with sound and everything on those. And then as far as the microphones go, like I said, I don't really use earbuds for the mics. You know, they work, so that is an important thing. Now as far as like the distance between the earbuds and leave them, say for example my cell phone on the table or something, they do a good job. I live in about a 2,000 square foot house, and I was able to walk around my whole entire house, and I didn't lose connection once. The only time I lost connection was when I went outside. So other than that, you know, that's with most of the earbuds, even some of the more expensive ones that I have. But yeah, so with these, they do a very good job. And like I said, for $39.99, you cannot beat the price. Now, as far as the charging capabilities go, the charging case is Qi wireless, so you can just put it on a charging pad and you're good to go. It does have a fast charge feature, so if you wanted to hook up, you know, any USB-C charging cable to the charging case for 10 minutes, you're going to get 60 minutes worth of playtime. And then as far as the battery life goes on the earbuds, they are 8 hours on a single charge, so these will last 8 hours, which is fantastic. And then the charging case is going to give you a grand total of 32 hours, so you're going to get 4 charges out of one charging case. So if you're like me, you know, when I'm only really wearing these, I'm wearing them at the gym, or I'm wearing them like to do yard work. So for me, 8 hours on a single charge, you know, that'll get me through probably 2 or 3 days easily. So for 32 hours out of the charging case with the earbuds, I'm definitely getting at least a week out of them before I have to charge that case. But if you're like me, you're probably charging this every time that you're done playing or using it. So that's kind of the way I am. I just charge it overnight, so that way I just have it ready to go. But as far as everything goes, yeah, that's it, guys. I mean, as far as the earbuds, I would highly recommend them. They do sound really good. If you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know. If you like the content that you see, hit that like button. And if you like it even more, please consider to subscribe. I would love to have y'all a part of my YouTube channel family here. But yeah, guys, let me know. So have a great day. Be safe out there, and God bless.